Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. And yesterday I made an extended video talking about the future of Luna Classic. Right now, whatever happened in the past 2 months, it has actually been a behavior to really push Luna Classic up. I've already proven it in yesterday's video, but just for reference, I'm going to show you some pattern here in just a second. So I'm going to give you a flashback to what I said yesterday. And the thing is, we are actually at the accumulation schematic. And I told you that we were in phase A, phase B, we had the phase C, and we're still in here, okay? We're actually in here, spring and test. So basically, as I said, this is like 2 months of very big consolidation. This was 2 months, right? That was 2 months, and now you came down, and the reason you came down is to take the stop loss, if it makes sense. Think like a whale, think like someone who is a big investor. You must know that people have the stop loss here, they have the stop loss here, and then you go down for the final one, take all the stop losses, and then go back, because there's an old saying in crypto, stop loss is the fuel for a pump. All right, so just like your car, you're maybe going on a journey and then you're very tired all of a sudden. So consider the journey being an uptrend, right? And in this uptrend, you continue sideways because now your fuel is down. Maybe you're going to stop somewhere. And if you want to refill, you're going to have to go to the gas station, petrol station, whatever, just to refuel your car. And then when you refuel your car, then you move to the next destination. Stop losses are the biggest gas station ever. These are going to make sure that you take the stop losses everywhere, and then they actually push it up. That's just how big whales think, because they love to eat small fishes in the ocean. Isn't that what whales really do? Come on, it makes sense. That's why they're called whales. They make money off from you. But if you know trading, the videos that I'm trying to make for you to my best potential, now you know it. Okay, I'm actually decoding all this big people, what they're doing. And if you now compare all this thing to this pattern on the 4-hour time frame, well, that there was all right, this was your stop loss right over here, stop loss right over there, spring. Okay, this was your phase number A, this was your phase number B, and then you had this phase number C in here. This is your spring, right? Now you are at the test, and I said this yesterday perfectly when we were actually down at 9190, and today you're actually at 10,000. So it actually goes on to prove that technical analysis is a real thing. People just underestimate it. And here, what happens in the future? Go back to the video, and what happens in the future? This, okay? You are looking for LPS, and this may take 5 days to reach there. You may be looking for BU, LPS, and SOS. Now, these are some abbreviation. I don't really remember their full form, but you can actually Google this and try to learn about it. Now, you do have resistance line coming up, and this is where people have the stop losses as well. Just as people had the stop losses down here, people are shorting here, putting the stop losses here. And that's the reason why they go back up to take the stop loss, and they have the stop loss even here, and they're going to take it out over there. So how do I know they have the stop loss in here? These are known as liquidation points, okay? And I go into very big details in my trading 19 hours trading course. I have all that thing. You can even buy, you can learn, whoever wants to learn, and message me up. So the thing is that this is your resistance line coming up here, where you have this one touch, you have one touch, one touch, one touch, okay? And you break above it, and you go for the SOS. Right now, you're going to do something like an LPS, go up, break above SOS, maybe even in July. This can actually happen in July. And then in July, you're looking at things starting to push up. You don't even understand what's going on anymore. And this is where you have that liquidation point. Do you see this? People may not put their stop loss here, but they want to put their stop losses here, and also here. So up until 17270, you're going to see Luna Classic in the future, hopefully, if I'm right, as long as we don't make it down to 7043. I'm calling it right now. Save this video. You're going to see move up, push up, break above, come down, SOS, retest, liquidation number 1, number 2, number 3, and eventually take it all out. I'm not saying it, but I'm actually backing my claim with this educational video. Breakout, SOS, liquidation point, all right? These move down like this are very, very clear that Luna Classic has them. If you just zoom out a little bit, here's number 1, number 2, down, phase A, phase B, go down for the spring, phase D, boom, break above, come up, take everything, and move up here. At least I do see this thing coming up to 17,270. And from here, that is going to be a very big push of 74%. And if you're lucky enough, you can actually even get 110%. But I do actually expect 73% move to the upside. And I am in the trade, so if I get 73% in the future, will you be joining my private? Will you do that? Because my private members are in the trade. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.